Hi guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make hot dog buns. Hot dog buns is quite easy to make, so I want you to stay tuned and watch to the end and see how it is made. To make hot dog buns, I'm going to start by bringing 150 grams of lukewarm milk to a larger bowl. To the milk, I'm adding a tablespoon of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. I just go ahead and whisk the yeast and make sure it dissolves nicely in the milk. Now cover and allow the yeast to be activated for 5 minutes. Just after 5 minutes, you will notice some bubbles on the surface of the milk. This shows that the yeast is activated. And now I'll go in with a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 whole egg. After that, I'm just going to whisk everything and make sure the egg dissolves nicely. Now adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can also use bread flour as well. Then mix to combine. Once a mass of dough is formed, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of soft butter. And I'm just going to use my hand to mix this and make sure the butter dissolves in the flour. Once you have mixed the butter with the dough, you can now transfer this to a lightly flat surface. Now mix this with your hand to combine nicely. As you begin to knead the dough, you will notice it's a little bit sticky. So just keep kneading until the butter dissolves nicely. At this point, you will notice the stickiness of the dough is reducing. And if the dough is a little bit too soft, you can sprinkle a little bit of flour over it and keep kneading. After kneading the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes, you have a very smooth dough which is not sticky and is pliable. So you now know your dough is ready. Place in an oiled bowl and then rub some of the oil on the surface of the dough to prevent it from drying out. And finally wrap it up with a plastic wrap. Rest the dough in a warm place for an hour until it doubles in size. So guys, just an hour later your dough must have risen in size. So I'm just going to deflate the dough. I'll still transfer this to a flat surface. Now you're going to share the dough into equal parts. So I have 6 equal parts. I'm going to set them aside, then place one here. Now you're going to lightly flour your surface just to prevent this from sticking. And with the help of a rolling pin, flatten the dough lengthwise. Just fold it like this into a log shape. Once you've done that, pinch the edges together. Just make sure everything comes together. After that, just roll it to smoothen the dough. Once I've smoothened the dough like this, I'm going to transfer this into a baking tray lined with the parchment paper. And then I'll continue with the rest. Once you're done shaping your dough into hot dog buns like this, you can cover this with a towel and then leave it to rest in a warm place for an hour or until they double in size. So guys, just after an hour, your hot dog buns dough should have doubled in size. Now you will have to brush the surface with an egg wash. So I have an egg here mixed with a tablespoon of water. I'm just going to whisk this and allow to combine. And with the help of a pastry brush, brush the surface of the dough with the egg wash. Once you've glazed the surface, bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. So guys, once your hot dog buns are out of the oven, you can cool them on a cooling rack. But before then, you can just brush some melted butter over the surface just to give this an appealing look. Your hot dog buns are ready. This was an easy way to make this soft and fluffy hot dog buns recipe. You can see it for yourself. It's really soft. And you know what? You can easily enjoy your grilled sausage right inside here. Guys, do try out this hot dog buns recipe at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are here for the first time, and you can click the notification bell so you don't miss any video whenever it's uploaded. You can also share this video and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.